Now, I showed you a sample before, and I know exactly you have more questions, right? So I prepared your question already.
Okay.
So going back to this little sample, where we changed foo and bar, actually, I would like to reference to your previous sample, so where we changed Freiburg, right? So Freiburg to Freiburg-Breisgau. Now, what happens if we take the second sample here and we want to do the same for Frankfurt also? So we have Freiburg, we want to change it, and Frankfurt, so both at the same time. So in this case, let me go here a little bit more detailed in the Excel version, because I have my little arrows here. You see the Freiburg piece still the same, so we have it grouped, but this time we extended the regular expression, so it starts here and it ends here. I have the comma, space, and then Frankfurt also grouped, so this is representing this piece of the search text. And now when we take the replacement regular expression, you see I have $1 and $2. So in this case here, so this sample shows us that we can actually capture multiple groups at the same time, and we can then back reference by just more or less looping through. Not really looping, so we are referencing with the number 1, number 2, etc. to all the groups captured. So if you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, then you can back reference with $1, $2, $3, $4 back to the captured group. In this case, our result would be Freiburg as the first captured group, back referenced and then concatenated with the missing text piece, and then comma Frankfurt, and there we have an A.M at the end. So this is this little piece here. And there we are. So you can have also multiple captured groups in one regular expression.
Okay, yeah, and it looked a little more confusing at first with all of these dollar signs and numbers, but it just refers to the order of, my search strings in this case, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, no, this is easy to follow, okay?
Okay, and we have another one in the next little lesson.
Oh boy.